saying it means thousands of men would be denied due process. The judge then gave Weinstein a 20-year sentence for the more serious sexual assault charge and tacked on another 3 years for the rape in the third-degree conviction. The terms are to be served consecutively. Outside the courthouse, defense attorney Donna Rotuno said Weinstein could have said anything in the court and it wouldn't have mattered. She vowed to appeal.
That sentence that was just handed down by this court was obscene. That number was obnoxious.
Rotuno claimed the judge gave Weinstein such a long sentence because of public opinion.
Mr. Weinstein really never had a fair shake from day one, and I'm not here to say that he's a victim, and I'm not here to say poor Harvey. But what I am here to say is we were looking for fairness, and we didn't get it.
Some of his victims are represented by attorney Gloria Allred.
For the predators who are going to wake up in fear tomorrow and say, are they coming after me? My answer is probably yes.
Weinstein.
Of their own plans for tackling the pandemic.
During separate speeches in their home states, Biden and Sanders painted a picture of a chaotic response to the growing crisis. Here's Biden in Delaware.
This virus laid bare the severe shortcomings of the current
Now that
administration is failing on
is a restored vintage Toyota factory radio, upgraded with a 7 lumen 120 degree angle LED bulb. It was dead on arrival, and it will leave alive and well once again.